Hi, welcome back to my channel. We have SnackCrate. I finally got it in the mail. This is for the month of November. It took forever to get to me, but that's okay. We're gonna start. This month is South Africa. So first up we have, this is a really flat bag. They like crushed my box, by the way. This is Lay's potato chips, Caribbean onion, and balsamic vinegar flavor. Ooh, it smells intense. It just tastes like regular. My dog is over here trying to get some. They just taste like regular vinegar and onion chips. Like, I'm not really impressed with that. Next we have Samba Mexican chili flavored potato chips. Smells good. Yeah. Don't really have no flavor to it. What? It's coming. That chili flavor sneaks up on you. Next we have Diddle Daddle by Jumpkin Jack. Jumpkin Jack. Alright. They're just like regular Cracker Jacks. We have mini cheddars. Reminds me of the Ritz crackers. Ooh. Never mind, they smell like Cheez-Its. They look like Ritz crackers. I guess. We have text. Okay. So this is what it looks like inside. A wafer. It reminds me of a chocolate covered wafer. Pretty good. Pretty good. What's next? Okay. We have chocolate log. My dog. It's a creamy marshmallow on crisp wafer. Okay. So this probably just tastes like wafer, just with marshmallow on it. Oh my god. That chili flavor is still in my mouth from the Samba chips. That's crazy. Wow. It breaks easily. It's like a little marshmallow on top and then like the cookies at the bottom. That's very neat. Why is your wafer puff so hard? Next we have 5-star. Let me see what it says. Oh, it's Cadbury. Cadbury milk chocolate. Soft chocolatey center. Caramel crunchy biscuits. Okay. It tastes like a Carmelo with like a crunch to it. Next we have Sally Williams dark chocolate coated nugget. Oh god. This is like found everywhere. It feels like it's about to take my teeth out. Like the whole nugget is going to pull my teeth out. It's sumo biscuits. I don't know. So, I think this is supposed to be like a shortbread cookie, minus all the sugar that us Americans have in ours. I don't hate it, but it's not, I don't know. It's not something that I'm gonna go and reach for. I think my dog can have some of this, which I want to introduce to you guys. Cody, come here. Come in. Come here. It's my little baby. I'm gonna give him the cookie. You want one? You can have it. Yeah, there you go. Bye. Go enjoy. Burnville? Burnville? I don't know. Whatever. There it is. Anyway, this one's by Cadbury too. Let's try it. Okay. I really love cashew. Yeah. Champion. And it doesn't say what it is. Oh, a flavored toffee. Reminds me of like a big 6-year-old. Almost dropped it. My dog almost got it. Oh my god. It's so hard. I can't even bite into it. I can just suck it. It tastes good though. Next, we have the Dairy Milk Top Deck. Oh, it's like a little hat. How cute. I love that. I thought it was going to be like in the picture. Like a little top hat. Nope. I don't want to. I just want one. Next we have Stoney's ginger beer. Ginger beer. I would definitely like, wait. Okay. Okay. It's not bad, but you can live with it. It's not your average, like, ginger ale. What is it? Dry Canada version? It's not like that. The ginger you can actually taste in this one, and it tastes fresh. Well, not too fresh, because it's in a can. But, fresh enough. Okay. I will see you in my next video. Hopefully my next SnackCrate video would not take as long for me to upload. Hopefully I will get it on time. Starting to taste that. Feel that chili. Anyways, please subscribe down below. And I will see you later.